Hi, this is Charlie with the Auto Tip of the Week. The oil warning light is another very important light to heed. If your vehicle is using too much oil, meaning that it's often low on oil, there is a problem. Today's engines have many small passages that easily clog due to longer servicing intervals. If your auto technician is recommending an engine cleaning service, followed by more frequent oil changes, they are recommending it as good preventative maintenance.
Join Ayers Repairs Car Club and receive over $780 worth of auto repair services for only $248.95, which is the best car care value. We'd like to thank Ayers Automotive Repair for supporting your moment of trust with timely advice from BBB of the Tri-Counties. Ayers Automotive Repair is a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, providing dependable, trustworthy auto repair services in Santa Barbara since 1979.